So you've taken delivery of your brand new Trojan Pro Priam Workstation and you're ready to assemble it and start work on your next production. The Priam Workstation by Trojan Pro comes in 3 boxes, and to make it easier to assemble, we recommend that you have someone there to help you. Inside the boxes, you will find a list of components and instructions. Keep these nearby as you will need them to help with the assembly. Step 1. Screw both Z8 foot pads into the bottom of mid-leg support A. Step 2. Separate both sections of the Z12 rails by lifting the latch and removing the short part of the rail. Repeat this on the second rail. Step 3. Once step 2 is completed, secure the long section of the Z12 rail to the left leg support B using Z2 screws. Repeat this process on the right side leg support. Step 4. Fit Z6 derrick screws to both leg supports C and B as shown. Step 5. Fit the rear support brace D with Z6 derrick screws. Step 6. Using the Z6 derrick screws placed earlier, attach the rear support brace D to left leg support B as shown. Once attached, secure rear support brace D using Z5 eccentric nuts to the Z6 derrick screws. Once completed, repeat this process for the right side leg support. Step 7. Attach mid-leg support A to the Z6 derrick screws previously installed on rear brace support D, and then secure mid-leg support A to the derrick screws using Z5 eccentric nuts. Step 8. Fit 10 Z6 derrick screws to the bottom of work surface E. Step 9. Now that the Z6 derrick screws are fitted, attach work surface E to both leg supports B and C and rear brace support D, as shown. Step 10. Secure work surface E using Z5 eccentric nuts to the Z6 derrick screws. Step 11. Fit 8 Z6 derrick screws to the top of work surface E. Step 12. Connect each Z13 4U rack strip to each junction plate G using Z1 tapping screws as shown. Repeat this process 3 more times. Now secure junction plate G to the Z6 derrick screws on work surface E using the Z5 eccentric nuts. And repeat this process for the remaining junction plates. Step 15. Fit 8 Z6 derrick screws to the bottom of upper shelf F. Step 16. Attach work shelf F to the E junction plates using the Z6 derrick screws placed earlier. Step 17. Once upper shelf F is attached to the E junction plates, secure the Z5 eccentric nuts to the Z6 derrick screws. Step 18. Attach the Z9 support brackets using the Z1 tapping screws. Step 19. Install the remaining part of the Z12 rails to the keyboard tray I using bolts Z3 and nuts Z4 as shown. Repeat this process on the other side of the keyboard tray using the remaining Z12 rail. Step 20. Install keyboard tray I to the Z12 rails on both leg support B and C. Next up, we'll be installing the optional monitor plates. Step 1. Place the Z11 dial wheel parallel to the hole on upper shelf F. Once placed, rotate the top plate of the Z11 dial wheel and form a diamond shape to cover the hole on upper shelf F. Step 2. Secure the bottom plate of the Z11 dial wheel to upper shelf F using Z1 tapping screws. Step 3. Attach the Z7 dial pads to each point of the Z11 dial wheel as shown. Step 4. Open the hole on upper shelf F as shown. Step 5. Using the newly opened hole on upper shelf F, secure speaker tray H to dial wheel Z11 using Z2 screws. Step 6. Repeat this process on the other side to complete your Trojan Pro Priam Workstation. If you have any questions about assembling your brand new Priam Workstation by Trojan Pro, please feel free to contact us at sales@studiospares.com or give us a call on 020 8208 9930.